Hi, I'm Keith Sorem with the Keith Sorem Team at Keller Williams, and this is the real estate market update for Burbank, California for March 2009. You know, despite what you read in the papers, we're actually selling more real estate now than we did a year ago, at a lower price. That's the bottom line. Let's look at the statistics for Burbank. We use a market index to compare month to month and year to year. If it's above 1.2, it's a seller's market. Between 1.2 and 0.8 is a neutral market, and below 0.8 is a buyer's market. We've been in a buyer's market for about 3 years now. The market index for Burbank actually went up 6 points from 0.24 to 0.30. So market activity is slowly beginning to pick up after some of the economic news. We had 85 new listings come on the market compared to 54 last month and 69 listings in 2008. Pending listings, which is the fuel that makes listings sell and gives us momentum in the market, 20 listings opened escrow last month compared to 24 the month before and 47 the year before that. So we're looking at a pending ratio of 0.24, which is a huge drop. Burbank has actually been a very hot market for us over the last couple months. They actually had a pending ratio of over 100, but now last month was 0.78 and last year was 0.68. So we are no doubt seeing the effect of the economy in Burbank. Our listing inventory, though, continues to decline. We had 263 listings on the market at the end of the month compared to 290 last year, but over 324 the year before that. Sold listings, we had 58 listings that sold during the month compared to 29 and 44 in 2008. So if you're thinking of buying a home, the big question is, when are prices going to stop falling? Well, the latest pricing information from Burbank, we had an average selling price of $496,000, which is down 5.2% from last year. It's interesting that if you were to look at the decline that we've seen in Burbank, the difference between this year and last year is getting smaller. Last month the gap was 18.2%. Part of that is sales mix, but the bottom line is most of us have a very difficult time determining where the bottom is. Are we here? Are we here? Are we here? So if you're thinking of buying a home, one of the factors that affects the price that you pay, obviously, is interest rates. What's that monthly payment going to be? Well, interest rates have actually dropped dramatically because of $180 billion in TARP funds that were purchased, the toxic assets or the legacy assets by the Treasury Department. So this actually means that we're seeing record low interest rates. We're seeing the lowest prices we've seen since 2002. So now would certainly be a great time to buy, not to mention the fact you can take advantage of the $8,000 tax credit if you're a first-time home buyer and haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. And if you buy a new construction home, you might be able to get as much as $10,000 in the state of California. If you have questions, if you'd like to get a full copy of the report, please feel free. My name is Keith Sorem. You can reach me at 1-888-284-2056 or visit me online at www.beautifulburbankhomes.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.